Morning, guys. Slept at the Golden Gate Bridge last night. That was pretty cool. I would have loved to get some drone shots, but it was way too foggy. It wouldn't have been worth it. Getting ready, or I'm heading now to Yosemite National Park. It's like 3.5 hours away. I'm actually just gonna go to my camp spot, and then I'll be there tomorrow. So Yosemite's supposed to be super beautiful. Get to see Half Dome. Getting out of the city. I spend too much money when I'm in the city. Made it out to the camp spot. I am just outside of Yosemite, like a mile away from, I guess when you get to the main road, I'm a mile away. I'm probably at least 4 or 5 miles up this dirt road. Boy, playing hard. Texan loves it out here. It's beautiful, big trees, smells fresh, but just gonna hang out and just play with the dog and enjoy life. There's a split in the road there because I couldn't really find a good spot. And then this way is blocked by a tree. So I was like, well, hell, I'm just gonna back up and call this my spot. So I like it. Might get the dirt bike out and rip it up that way and see what I can find. When I was in Cerro Gordo, this thing was running like crap. I think it might have been, it was because of the elevation. Because this thing is running like a champ now. Shit, throttle sticking though. This thing is beat though. I don't have a front brake. Clutch fell off. This falls off. Hold on, look. That comes off. Front wheel's bent. She's a little rough, but it's my old faithful. Came for a rip. Look what we got in the middle of the road. Some deer. Go get it. Good morning, good morning, good morning. In line right now to go to Yosemite. Definitely need some gas, so I hope they got a gas station in there. Pretty sure they do. I'm sure it's crazy expensive, but what it is. But stay tuned because Yosemite is gonna be beautiful. What's going on, guys? I made it into Yosemite National Park. Obviously, look at that beautiful waterfall right there. Keep heading in. I'm super hungry, so I think there's a lodge to eat up here. I'm gonna go eat there and explore the park. Also, before I get into some bad news, let me show y'all some beautifulness. But look what I just did. freaking ripped my thing off, god dang it. Son of a biscuit. But it's fixable. I just gotta reapply it, so that's a bummer. What up, guys? Back on the road. You already know the deal. Gonna do too much. Just a travel day. But there's not many campsites going north here that I can find. So the plan is to just go to, there's this casino. It's like 2.5 hours away. I was just gonna stay there and maybe throw a little hunted in. Just a little hunted to see what I can do with it. I'm just gonna head to Redwoods after that. So stay tuned. It's gonna be fun.
Girl, you look good when you back that ass up. Oh, bitch. Oh, yeah. Oh, what you do. But as long as you ain't thicky, thick, girl, you know that it's on. The fish don't fry in the kitchen. Bees don't burn on the grill. And music is my aeroplane. Money when I grew up, I had nothing.
What's up, guys? I got me a good night's rest. Left my spot about an hour ago, actually. I've been driving. But I'm on the way to Redwoods. Look at that boy out there again. Not gonna go to Redwoods today. I'm just gonna go find my camp spot, set up, and then get there first thing in the morning so I can be there all day. Show you guys some pretty cool stuff. Some big trees. Stay tuned, because it's gonna be fun. What's going on, guys? I made it out to my spot where I'm gonna be sleeping tonight, and check this out. It's awesome. Also, while the market's hot, I'm gonna have this bad boy for sale. Send me some offers. I know what I got. No low ballers, okay? Look how thick that bad boy is. Unfortunately, it is dead. That is a big tree. I'm not even in the Redwoods yet. I'm close though. I am close. Got my boy Tex enjoying life. He's gone. It's so beautiful out here. And if you just go to the top, you can see the ocean. Good morning, good morning, good morning. It is another crappy day on the coast. It has literally been foggy every single day I've been on the coast. But up early, and I'm headed over to the Redwoods to see some badass trees, so stay tuned. Drive and look over and I see a freaking field of elk, so check this out. There's a bunch of them. Going down the road. Look at that bad boy. Holy crap. This thing looks way bigger in person, I promise you. Look at this thing, y'all. I mean, this thing is freaking massive. Holy cow. Look at that one on the ground. That one's huge too. And then you got that bad boy. thing in the screen. It's so much bigger in person. It's so peaceful in here. Look how tall that one is. It's way up there. It's got a gaping hole and it's still alive. Alrighty, y'all, I've always wanted to see this and I've always wanted to drive through it, but guess what? I can't because this puppy's too tall. I've always wanted to drive through this dang tree. Unfortunately, I'd be taking off the... I don't even know if I can get my truck through this thing. It's pretty sweet though. Alright, I lied. I'm back in California. Okay, there's some sort of a checkpoint here, so let's see what this is about. Hello.
Hey, any fresh fruit on board?
No.
Got any plants or firewood?
Uh-huh.
Okay, and how long have you been out of Texas for with this camper?
I'm on a 100-day road trip. Today is 74, 75.
So you've been out for quite a while.
Yeah.
Okay, you're good then. All right, so have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
I want to bring firewood over. I'm gonna bring firewood over, all right? We back, baby. Let go. Made it out to my camp spot. Look at that. That water is moving. Look at that crap. But this is the end of the video. I'm right by Crater Lake, so you'll see that in the next video. So definitely check the next one out. But I appreciate you guys watching. Like and subscribe, and leave me a comment. Peace. Go catch me on YouTube. Go subscribe, man.